Check out the iguana, guys. I'm still not exactly a Florida resident, so these things still intrigue me, but this is a big boy. Look at him. Oh, there you go. There was actually two there. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thanks for pressing play. As you can see, we are here in bright, sunny, beautiful Florida, and we're here at the shop. And as you can tell behind me, there's a lot going on. We got the awesome BMW sitting right out front, but we got two moving trucks. What the heck is that all about? So, as usual, guys, it's Saturday. We're gonna do a shop update for you. There's not a whole lot of cars going on this time, but there is some awesome updates coming to the shop. Let's jump into it. All right, so anyway, guys, other than the iguanas, what's going on in the shop on this Saturday? As you can see, we got Patrick's fully stealth wrapped new Golf R sitting here, looking beautiful. I love stealth wrap on black cars, and there will be a lot of this coming to my channel very soon. The BMW is looking really good. I'm not really necessarily a big fan of BMWs usually, but I really like this car, especially in this color green. It is just really, really fantastic. But obviously, we got two moving trucks here. These are the big elephants in the room, and you can probably see Brad in there doing some work. Yes, we have finally gotten the epoxy guys to come down here and do a floor for us. Now, right now he is just grinding the floor, getting it ready for the epoxy to go down later this week. So now it's gonna be the full blackout look. This floor is going to absolutely stun. I'm not gonna tell you anything about it until it's finished, because it is gonna be worth the wait. Trust me, I promise. So as you can see, guys, we got everything moved out, and they're in here tearing up the floor, because there is a lot of paint on this floor. As you can see, there's gray paint, red paint, and then underneath there, probably another 30 layers of paint. There's a lot of paint. It's got to all be taken up and grinded down smooth and flat before the floor goes on. But everything is out of here, which is crazy, and it's in that moving truck, or it's in the shop. So anyway, I'm gonna kind of share the progress as we go here. As you can see, there's not really much to talk about car-wise. The only thing really happening is the floor. Now, with that said, obviously the BMW is still here. The customer is actually coming later today to pick it up because it is finished. It has a Expel Ultimate Gloss finish installed on the carbon fiber roof here, as well as the rails that run along the roof. So that carbon fiber there is fully protected with the Expel Ultimate, which is the gloss finish. Now, obviously, we also did the fenders, the hood, and the bumper, I believe, on this particular car. That thing is looking good. While we wait, I also wanted to mention a little bit more about Patrick's car here. His is the Expel Stealth, which of course gives it that satin finish, but at the same time, the car is also ceramic coated on top of the Expel Stealth, so it is going to give you a little bit more of a sheen. The wheels are ceramic coated, and obviously the windows are expelled with the Expel XR Plus, giving it the darker look and blocking out some of this insane Florida heat. But anyway, guys, let's walk inside real quick. Number one, it's super freaking hot out here, and number two, I want to show you what the customer waiting area looks like. So obviously you can see we got the closed sign up, and we have a little bit of a sign here talking about the fact that we are going to have that floor done. But when we go in here, you can see where everything out of the shop ended up is, of course, right here in the waiting area. And yeah, you don't realize how much stuff you have until you pack it into a tight area, right, Patrick?
That's correct. We have a lot of stuff.
Yeah, we do. So, like I said, we're going to be closed for the next couple days, but Patrick, being the guy he is, he's still working.
You can call me.
Yeah, you can still call him. You can still get on the schedule. And like I said, guys, if you mention to him that you saw this video, he is obligated to give you 10%.
I promise I'll give you 10% if you mention it. Yeah,
he will, because he's a good dude. Obviously, we trust him with the keys, so to speak. So, yeah, give him a call. Get your Corvettes down here, guys. I know the Z06, we all got our fingers crossed. It's coming soon. Come down to Blackout Miami and get that thing perfected.
We'll take care of it.
Yes, we will.
Make it better than new.
But anyway, guys, walking around the customer area here, like I said, there's not many customers that are going to fit in here now, but obviously we are closed until the floor is done, which shouldn't be too long. So for now, this is just going to be more of a transformation. One last look, guys, at the floor before it's done. We're going to come back tomorrow and see a little bit more of an updated progress here, but yeah, you can tell floor needs done. It's getting done.
The next day.
All right, guys, so day number 2. they're getting the floor, kind of the paint down. Now you can see some of these are spots here kind of drying, but this is kind of the base coat. So it's gonna be mostly black, but like I said, I don't want to give it away just yet as to what's coming for the rest of this stuff. But so day 2, this is going down. Yesterday was all just grinding. So you can actually see some of the marks in the concrete still from the grinder itself, just taking off a couple layers of the concrete, getting down to the bare concrete, making sure that nothing is in between this coat and the concrete. So basically they're going to put down a bunch of these coats to cover up any marks left from the grinder. And then after that, we're going to do something really special. And then there's going to be a top coat that goes on and kind of glossifies and locks everything in. But this is it. And as you can see over there, they're dumping it down, rolling it on. At the end of the day, it's going to be super thick to cover everything up, like I said. But that's it. That's really all there is for today. After they put down a couple coats of this, they're going to let it dry. They'll be back tomorrow to do the next special part, and then Sunday to finally get all the clear coat and everything on. But yeah, guys, this thing is going to look freaking phenomenal. I'm so pumped because this place is finally going to look like the kind of quality that we put out in car form. So definitely come down and check it out for yourselves. And guys, walking into the shop for the 3rd day, other than the fact that this customer waiting area is totally packed full of stuff, I can see the floor, and my God, does it look good. Are you guys ready for this? It is fantastic what they have done. So this is Epoxy Depot. I will leave all their information in the link below, but guys, this is absolutely astonishing. I did not think it was going to look this freaking good. And the best part is it's not even done yet. There's still another layer that needs to go on top of this to add even more gloss. All right, are you ready? Are you sure? Are you sitting down? Check this out, guys. Holy cow, does that looks absolutely freaking stunning. Look at that. Now, obviously down along the floor, like the floorboard area, we're gonna put up some different trim to kind of hide the transition between the floor and the walls, but look at that. It's like a freaking mirror with blackout tinting smeared in there. I love it, guys. This is fantastic. So I dealt a lot with Steve over at Epoxy Depot. He was great. He's actually the same guy that did my floor in Pennsylvania in my garage. Links in the description below, guys. These guys know their stuff, though. Look at this. And the care that they take to make sure that they don't get it on the floor here. Fantastic, guys. This is unbelievable. I love this. So we got one more day of updates and then this video is done. If you need something like this for your garage, this literally will make it look like a showroom. And the last day here, guys, it is finally all finished up. So it is top coated. You can see a couple little bubbles in it still because it is still drying. And if you look really closely, it's probably real hard to catch on camera. You can actually see the bubbles like popping up at the surface, almost like soda, like the bubbles are coming up to the surface, and then they'll of course all dry flat. But basically this is it, guys. So we got some cleaning to do back there on the walls, we got some trim to do around the floor, but for the most part this is finished and it now looks a lot more professional, and it's going to be a lot easier to clean. It's going to be a lot easier to do our installs on. Big thumbs up to Steve and all the guys over at Epoxy Depot. All of their information will be down in the description below. But guys, that's going to do it for this particular shop update Saturday. This one actually ran over the period of a couple days. Today's actually Sunday, so it finished up on a Sunday. If you liked what you saw, please smash that thumbs up button. If you have any questions about the epoxy process, let me know in the comment section down below and I will get you an answer. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do. We're gonna have loads of content like this coming. You are not gonna wanna miss. And as always, guys, we will catch you in the next upload.